Welcome to the birthplace of the business of flight. This is where plane making's earliest masters sculpted the contours of an entire industry. This is Wichita, the air capital of the world. A straight ascending line of groundbreaking achievement runs from Wichita's designers of the first flying machines, through generations of innovators who propelled the craft forward, straight on to the legion of engineers and technicians who work every day on the leading edge of their passion for flight. The roots of what the world knows about designing and building aircraft run deep here, and we're still pushing the envelope of that knowledge with relentless innovation. This is the home of the world's most legendary brands, where faster, farther, and higher roll out to make their marks and blaze new trails. In Wichita, we make the sleek powerful, and the powerful incredibly light and thin, transforming the very fibers of flight with the most advanced materials. This is the Metro with a virtually self-contained industry inside it. From the countless machine shops programmed and primed, to the tool makers who mill and mold the perfect forms for the perfect fit, Wichita makes the world's air fleet from scratch, layer by layer, airframe by airframe. Aviation is at the beating heart of Wichita. Its highly skilled supplier network courses with the energy of innovation, and a full-throttle entrepreneurial drive as wide open as the great plains we call home. With one of the highest concentrations of engineers in the world, we design and build everything from aviation's smallest components to its largest aerostructures. And yet what Wichita has always built best is what comes next. This is where the world comes to get the wonder of flight down to a science, where we put the shape of things to come in aviation to the test and constantly advance the standards for safe, reliable flight. And this is where we keep advancing the standards for what aviation's workforce should know, how capable it can be, and how far the next generation of the world's most accomplished plane makers can rise above the last. Wichita is the future of flight. We have the highest concentration of manufacturing workers in the U.S., and fully half of them work in aviation. Plane making has become our second nature. Nowhere in the world is there a place like Wichita. Stable, safe, and prosperous. This is a place where enterprise thrives, and the highest aspirations are met with a river of resources and plenty of room to grow. This is the place. These are the people who designed and built the technology of flight from the ground up. Wichita is where aviation came from, and where it is endlessly heading, to renew its vision, to spread its wings, to form its airborne dreams, and watch them soar.